Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Dell laptop not turning on. So first of all we're going to check is the charger. So most of the Dell laptops has a light, so if you plug the charger in, the light will come on. That way you will know that charger is working and it's not something to do with the charger instead of the laptops. And the pins, so most of the laptop has a tiny little pin on the middle, so just double check if it's not bent or anything. So once you check that, the next thing we're going to do is turn the laptop over and take the battery off. So unclip the battery. So different laptop has a different way of putting the charger battery in. So most of them are underneath these, so you just need to take some screws off and the battery will come off easily. And then we'll turn the laptop over and hold the power button for 30 seconds to 1 minute. So hold the power button for 30 seconds. This is because the laptop has statics built in, and that's why the laptop won't turn on. So hold the power button for 30 seconds. And then turn the laptop over, put the battery in. Plug the charger in. And then press the power button. It should come on in most of the cases. If it still doesn't come on, there must be something else and you need to get it checked out. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.